So there was this first question which I come across, which is how to change Metahuman custom clothes downloaded from Sketchfab. And the other question followed by is how do I import custom Metahuman in my scene? So I guess I'll start with the second followed questions over here. So how do I import custom Metahuman in the scene? So as we have covered in the lectures, there are the basic Metahumans, which are actually the template Metahumans. There are, I guess there is 30 Metahumans which you can select from, and you can customize them. But if you want to create your own Metahuman, or as you said, custom Metahuman, then you have to create a poly scan of yourself, that you will create a 3D model of your face using polyscan or other softwares, and after that you can actually import that polyscan model in the Unreal Engine. And we have this plugin called as Metahuman plugin, which is basically for creating custom Metahumans, right? So with the help of the Metahuman plugin, what you can do is you can convert your face 3D model into a custom Metahuman, and then you can go inside your metahumancreator.com, and over there you can find the custom Metahuman that you have made. We have already covered this in our lecture before. All right. Of course, if you have any doubts, you can post it in the chat. Right. Following on to the first question over here, how to change Metahuman custom clothes downloaded from Sketchfab. So unfortunately for now, the Metahuman, the custom clothes aren't ready. So let me tell you why. If you look closely about the skeleton of the Metahuman, it is actually divided. So we have the face skeleton different, we have the torso skeleton different, we have the bottom skeleton different, the hands. So all these skeletons are actually different. So to actually create custom clothes for the Metahuman, you need to rig any cloth model from Sketchfab, and that rig should be equal to the Metahuman skeleton rig of the torso. Alright, so suppose we have this shirt right here. Okay, so if you want to put this shirt on the Metahuman, what you have to do is first you have to create this shirt in any 3D software, or you can download this from Sketchfab. And what next you have to do is you have to find the rig of the Metahuman torso, and you have to actually map the rig of this t-shirt with the Metahuman torso, and then when you match it, and then you can just replace the torso of that Metahuman with your 3D object, which is the custom clothes. But currently the Metahumans are actually the custom clothes for Metahumans are currently really in the alpha stage, and Unreal Engine is still working on it, how we can easily use custom clothes for it. So as soon as they have an update, I will surely posting in the community so that you guys will know how you can add the custom clothes.